When it comes to making button loops, it's all about customizing the size to fit your chosen button. I have here stitch markers to mark the points, 3mm crochet hook, and button that is 2 cm in diameter. Let me show you how I do it with a sample that has 34 stitches. First, I check how many stitches the button fits into. In this case, it covers about 6 stitches. And to give it a little wiggle room, I'll add an allowance of 1 stitch. Then next, I decide where I want to place the button. In my sample, I'll start by working 13 single crochets to reach the first point. And once you reach the first point, insert the stitch marker. I'll add 7 more single crochets to mark the second point. This places the button loop right in the middle. Insert the stitch marker once again. And from the second point, I'll chain 14 stitches. Or, in your case, you can also adjust the number based on how close or far your button is. The closer the button, the shorter the chain should be. And once the chain is ready, join it with single crochet into the first point. To reinforce the button loop, work slip stitches across the chain by inserting the hook into the back loops only. Once you reach at the end of the chain, single crochet into both loops of the last stitch. Then continue working on the row. The second method is slightly different than the first one. Single crochet across the chain to form a sturdy loop. and finish by single crocheting into both strands of the last stitch. And continue working on the row. Let's see if it will fit to our button. The adjustment now will be where to pin the button. So far it works. And finally, let's try the last method. So from this stitch, we made 13 single crochets. First, let's find the middle stitch where you want to place the button. So for me, that's the 17th stitch. So I'll continue single crocheting up to 17. So starting from here, I'll chain 10. It looks a bit short, so I'm adding 4 extra chains. Then, I'll single crochet back into the same stitch to secure the loop. And continue working on the row. Here it is. So feel free to experiment with each method and adjust chain length and placement to fit your button and project perfectly. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.